Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are using MadScientist BBQ, Jeremy Yoder's method on smoking chicken breasts, and I'm not happy about it. Let's go. So MadScientist BBQ, if you don't follow me, has a great YouTube channel, tons and tons of great videos explaining the science behind barbecue, explaining some great recipes. And he recently came out with a smoked chicken breast video, and it got me so angry. And the reason why it got me angry is because I didn't think about it. I always grill chicken breasts on the Weber. I hit them with some good seasoning, I grill them, and they come out great. I never smoked them because I always thought they're gonna be dry and nasty. So we're gonna follow his recipe here and we're gonna see how they come out. So first thing we're gonna do is trim up these chicken breasts. And we're gonna try to follow his recipe to a T. He cooks it, he dry brines these in salt for, basically he said 20 minutes up to overnight. It's cold out here as well, so I'm gonna hit these with a salt brine here in a second after I trim them up. Get some of this, you know, stuff that you're not gonna wanna eat off here. Another reason that I'm so upset about this video is that I smoke turkey breast all the time. It's one of my favorite things to smoke. So smoking another bird's meat the same exact way, it's basic and I didn't think about it. Gosh, that frustrates me. Got these trimmed up, they're looking really nice. Gonna hit it with the salt brine. We're just gonna dust it with kosher salt. And now we wait. We're gonna wait for the salt to soak in, and once it looks like the salt is all dissolved into the chicken, we're gonna hit it with a dusting of black pepper, and then we're gonna put it on the smoker. Today we are using the Char-Griller Grand Champ, and we got it started up with some chunks of Jealous Devil lump charcoal, and we're gonna be cooking this with oak wood. So let's go get that fired up while this is resting, because as soon as this looks like it's ready to go, we're gonna hit it with pepper and get them on the grill. These chicken breasts have been sitting for about an hour here. You can see that the salt is completely dissolved. So what we're going to do now is flip these over, get our coarse pepper here, and we're going to give that a hit of the coarse pepper. This is going to add a lot of flavor and a lot of great color during the process. Now we're not gonna add any more salt or anything because of that heavy, dry salt brine that we did. Right now, that's all the seasoning we're doing. Simple Texas style barbecue, salt and pepper. Grill's fired up at temp. Let's get these on the grill. We are closed up, the chicken's on. We're gonna let this go, I don't know, 45 minutes and then check on it. We wanna make sure that it's got some nice color before we wrap it in butter. Gonna keep this shut down and check back, like I said, about half hour, 45 minutes, and we'll be back when it's time to wrap them up. These chicken breasts are looking great, got that nice golden smoke color. They're at about 115, 120 internal, but they've got about enough color as we'd like. So what we're gonna do now is wrap these up with a couple pats of butter. Now in the MadScientist video, he used unsalted butter. I don't have any unsalted butter, so we're going with regular salted butter here. We're gonna give 2 pats on the bottom and then we'll do 1 pat on top. Do this for all 3. These are gonna cook opposite way. We're gonna cook these with the top end now facing down, sitting in that butter, cooking in that butter. Getting that juiciness redistributed. Now we're gonna cook these just like he did, which was about between 150, 160. He has documents and he states that, you know, as long as we rest for a minute or more after we hit a certain temperature, which is that 150, 155 mark, that it should kill all the organisms that that'll be safe for for healthy people. So we're gonna put these back on. We're gonna pull these off probably around 155, let them rest a minute or two, and then we're gonna try them. Let's get these back on the grill. These chicken breasts are done. They are temping at about 156, 158, so just under 160. We're gonna let these rest for 1 minute, and then we're gonna slice into them. 1 minute is up. I'm super excited to get into these. So let's open some up and see how we are. Now you want to be careful with these because there is all that butter and juices that's going to be in here, and you want to maintain that because that stuff is gold for this. I'm telling you what, it looks really, really good. It's looking delicious. So we're just going to pull this right out of here. Can look at that. Looking amazing. God, why didn't I think of this? Now we're going to slice. Oh man, we gotta do the squeeze shot here. Look at how juicy that is. Come on. I'm gonna take a bite of this. I'm not even gonna use any of this juice. Normally I'll pour it all over there. I might do it after, but I gotta take a bite here. Super tender. Give it a little dip now. Oh. Mr. Mad Scientist BBQ, thank you for posting this video. I don't know why it never crossed my mind. This is the best chicken I've ever made on a grill. It's fantastic. You got a little bit of smoke flavor. You got that great pepper. It's juicy as can be, which you always worry about with chicken breast, but it is just dripping with juices. This is amazing. I can't wait to s'more more chicken breasts like this. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, if you like what we did here today, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. You can check me out on social media, and we'll be talking to you all soon. Cheers again. Thanks everybody. Mad Scientist BBQ, love you. Take care. Peace out.